Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel DIY with Indrani. So, Christmas is coming in the doorstep, and I have started creating some cute drawings of Christmas. So, first, I'm creating a very cute Santa Claus with watercolor. Today, I'm using A5 size paper. This is the normal art paper that I have cut into 16 pieces. So I got 16 different papers of A5 size. I have covered the four parts with masking tape so that I can get a very sharp edge. I'm using watercolor that is from Dome's Watercolor Cakes. It's very good for beginners. Also, you can use if you are advanced. Very vibrant colors. So step by step you have to do all the light colors first, and then gradually increase the tone and do all the dark tone colors. Use a very fine brush to use, because this is a very cute and small painting. If you don't want to ruin your painting, use a very soft bristle fine brushes for watercolor. Once the sky color has dried up, then I'm using the red color. For drying, you can use your hair dryer so it can dry faster. So see how bright the color is looking. Also, I'm coloring under sun rays, so it's looking very aesthetic. Now I'm using dark blue color, or you can say the cobalt blue. The color that I'm using, it has lots of shades, so there will be no problem in creating such beautiful paintings. If you don't have this, you can also do with whatever colors you have. Comment down कि इसके बाद मैं क्या करूँ, what are the drawings that I can create after this, as I have already planned something for Christmas drawings. You will see back to back क्या क्या मैं कर रही हूँ. थोड़ा सा मैंने ब्रेक लिया था as I have couldn't completed my 30 days challenge of doing all pastel drawing. कुछ काम था इसलिए मैंने नहीं किया, but I will definitely continue that after some time, because now I'm making this Christmas series drawing. कुछ ड्राइंग्स शॉर्ट्स में आएगा, कुछ लॉन्ग में आएगा. Also, you can comment below if you want to see this type of cute aesthetic drawings in future. मुझे तो बहुत पसंद है, बहुत मज़ा आता है ऐसे ड्राइंग करने में. सो सारे कलर्स मैंने स्टेप बाय स्टेप डाल दिया है, एंड नाउ इट्स टाइम टू डू सम शेडिंग. So see, I am just darkening the portions with the same colors. जो वाइट पार्ट है टोपी का एंड ड्रेस का, उसमें मैंने स्काई कलर दिया था. अब मैं और स्काई कलर देकर उसको थोड़ा सा डार्कनिंग कर रही हूँ. एंड now this is the bag of Santa Claus. I have given little brown color, then the shoes with black, face with little orange color. I'm loving this drawing. It's a very cute Santa Claus. You can also try it with oil pastel color if you want. इसके बाद और भी सारे ऐसे ड्राइंग आएंगे बैक टू बैक. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड, एंड इफ़ यू लाइक दिस ड्राइंग, दिस क्यूट लिटिल ट्यूटोरियल, please subscribe my channel for more such videos. and stay tuned. Thank you for watching, and may your Christmas be filled with joy, creativity, and endless magic. And please comment below what type of drawing you want to see me do in this channel, so I can create for you. बैकग्राउंड थोड़ा खाली लग रहा था, सो आई हैव गिवन द बैकग्राउंड अ वेरी bright color with blue and black. Now don't ask me for the reference picture because ये मेरा माइंड से था ये वाला ड्राइंग. At last I'm doing the white part with poster colors. So finally मेरा ये क्यूट वाला ड्राइंग कंप्लीट हो चुका है. कैसा लगा ज़रूर बताना और प्लीज़ रिक्रिएट करना. टाटा.